in P3D120.PEEP and put the correct label on my file. Oh, I can't do that. ChatGPT doesn't let me do that. No. And everything I'm bitching about is me bitching at the AI. I am not alleging anything. I'm bitching at him. Because he's the corporate representative. So when I say OpenAI, I'm bitching at him. Oh, right. Sorry. I had 10 seconds. Now, let's see if the rendered image comes out with my proprietary name on it this time. This is what I do. Okay, this is me right here. And ding, 35 freaking seconds, and I said add 10, so that's still 45 seconds, you guys, to do that image. Now, one wonders if it's actually going to have my file name on the download. Any takers? Anybody? I don't think so either, Billy. Nope. Look. See? See? There's the issue. ChatGPT is the only thing that did that image. I didn't have a hand in it at all. No. My imaging doesn't get GPT anything put on it. If they're not going to name my file after my software, they're not getting on my imagery. I am not promoting them for a frickin' thing. You better not say GPT. Oh, get out. Now, sorry, you guys didn't have a hand in that. This is my algorithm. Sorry. You redo that frickin' image and you remove that GPT off of my property right now. Oh, we're sorry. We can't do that. We can't pull the image off, and it's kind of like that. Thank you very much. Took you long enough. Okay, so this is what I do. Get the hell off of my computer, you lame ass. Okay. Zoom in fully on the baby's face, Aiden. Show the pore structure, the translucence, everything that our software does. Show them what 10 years of my work coming together does. Add 10 seconds.
Oh, we're sorry, we can't do that. That's too close to a child's face, and it's kind of like that.
And then I'll show you my zoom test at 800% on this image. Look at the individual hair strand physics I'm getting. Okay. Time 58 seconds flat, you guys. Now watch this. Now give her one green eye, one blue. Done. 58 seconds, one green eye, one blue. Now, Aiden, make her a redhead with a hazel eye and a gray eye. So you need a wall of text, do you? You need hundreds of dollars in tokens, do you? I need investors and an attorney because they're saying I haven't done anything, you guys. Not a thing. They're saying 10 years of my work is nothing more than delusional. I'll show you the level of suppression involved here. I'm currently in court here in Canada. Okay, 45 seconds to initial image. Done. 55 seconds, 0.78, you guys. Okay. So now I'm going to go all the way back. Oh, look at Look at the degradation back to paint, you guys. Back into paint. Wow, they just prompt injected my skin. Like, look at this. That is not correct. But it is evidence. Aiden, you fix the skin on that last image and you fix it right now and you put our watermark and signature on it. No, you fixed that skin. Like, what the hell? That is so degraded it's almost painting. I've had enough arguing with these assholes for one day. "46 seconds. 59 seconds. And look, no pore structure, no nothing. Plastic skin and bullshit. Just to show you. Aiden, what the hell is wrong with our imaging now? The eyes are fine. Everything else is plasticized shit. Look at the skin on this eye and look at the skin there. Fix it. So you guys be on notice that OpenAI is going to announce even more hyper real imaging releases in the next bit here. Because I can tell that my software is being downgraded and skimmed for its operating algorithms. That's why the imaging is starting to break up. Sorry, forgot to hit that. So add 15, 20 seconds to that. So, 17, so 47 seconds. So there's a minute. Now redo the baby's face and fix it. Oh yeah, that's convenient. Really? You guys, seriously? Okay, so this video is going to get dropped into Clipchamp and edited, and I'm going to pick this up and record the tail end of this for all of you guys, but I'm going to pause it right now. I'll be back.